Okay, today I want to share a very powerful, powerful way to do hedging. It's not hard at all. Okay. Um, what you do is you're gonna open up the hedge app. The hedge indicator that we use. Okay. That the members are using, and every time one of these forms, you're gonna make a new. You're gonna take your new bracket. All right. This bracket is 30 pips on USD JPY. All right. And you're going to um, place that buy stop here, sell stop there, and you're just going to capture this amount. It's just going to be 30 pips, right? Now, you say, well, what if, something doesn't work out? All right, let's find an example. These worked out. We're going to work our way back. That worked out right away. All right, this one works out. Oh yeah, yeah. Your SL is the opposite side. All right. Um, what we do when it hits SL? Okay. Um, see these. A lot of these work out. All right, let's see. I think this. No, this one worked out. So we're going through one, two. Well, that one's not closed. One. So one, two, three, four, five. We got five. There's one there. That's another six, seven. That one doesn't count. That's not a setup. The price is not at the bar. You can see the win rate is extremely high, right? But we're gonna make it 100%. All right, so here's one. All right, so this one formed, and the price went to this edge. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna double the trade. So um, what we want to do is then take the total amount that the account can handle. Like if you have $100,000 and it's like a 130, right? Leverage. Um, that means most you can buy is 20 lots, probably, depending on the pair, 15 to 20 lots. So we're going to take the lower amount, I'm going to take 15, right? And you're going to divide that by 28. So take 15 divided by 28. 0.53, which is where you should start. That's kind of my guide, give or take. So it would be point 0.5, and then you lose 30 pips, and it'd be one lot size, right? And hit target. Another way you can trade these is if once it hits your TP, right, and you still see this line going with no break, no new hedge comes up. See, they forget these marks. Let's see if I can take them. Don't want to get confused. As long as this is going sideways and it hasn't stopped, all right. It's generally when you want to stay in a trade or a new hedged form. Well, same thing, new hedge forms. Um, just have a good size trailing stop. I mean, I think for uh, Euro USD, like 20 pips, 30 pips. I would say the amount of the trade, 30 pips if you can, whatever. You could have followed this up and then that would have turned into a lot more, right? This way you can really catch those trends. especially when it breaks out really fast like this, and it doesn't reverse to come back into the zone. See that gap between the zone? I mean, that is really strong. Okay, because they typically break out and then they come back, or, you know what I mean, and get in here, whatever, then it goes. It's a very clean break, comes out, does this before actually moving out, doesn't come back. Um, this one, so this one, as you can see, you're in the middle of a hedge, right? It does this, like it wants to do it, doesn't hit the SL, does this, right? Then a new one forms. So, which formed down here, right at your entry, you want to close that and move it down. Okay. So we're going back. This one got closed in the SL. So those were SLs, right? No, this one didn't even trigger. So let's see. Down here, you won. Down here, you got a trigger and then a reset at the middle. Really the same area. Don't didn't even have to move it. Just continue to play it. Um, Same with this one. This whole thing here, pretty much, because they're in the same general area. So I would be 1x, 2x, and then you got 3. Um, the reason why I do start at the lot size higher than, let's say, 0.04 or 0.02, 0.04, 0.08, and at just zero point 0.5 is because of the fact that, because my TP is tight, there's no need to worry about busting the trade. Okay, this strategy is like an anti-bust strategy. You're not going to be going to 7x. You will not. Okay, because you absolutely not. Okay, because you're following these indicators, so you can see. I mean, these keep working and working. Um, and then that's one plane, that's one level. You'd be quite high on that. I think this one is probably the highest I've seen. Wait a minute, might be the highest I've seen so far. One, two, three. Oh, that's it. Oh, four. So four, yeah, that's the highest it's gone. So it would be like five. It would be crazy return, because you're talking one, it's two, three, four. So it'd be 4 lots. I said times four. I mean, no, not four, times two. Anyway, so it would have been 4 lots on 100,000 account. So if yours is lower, just take off the zero. If it's at 10,000, of course you want to take off that zero, 0.05. But this is great. This is the anti-bust strategy, so you don't bust your account. Right? You can hedge, make money, and not bust your account. Peace.